So, hi dear Scorpio, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal love reading for all the Scorpio Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from 17th till the 23rd of August 2026. Roles can be reversed also, and not resonating, not your story. Don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading. For personal reading healing session, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono Masterclass 2, links are given below. So let's start. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see, Scorpio. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. So we have Queen of Pentacles. This is somebody who is feeling like the situation is quite stable, and right now they see you as somebody who is very practical, very grounded, but compassionate and loving and nurturing too. So they see you in a very beautiful and positive and respectful kind of energies. Let's clarify the Queen of Pentacles as their feelings for you, Scorpio. We have the Hanged Man, the Page of Cups, and the Knight of Wands. This person is trying to see things from a different perspective. Now their energies towards you are shifting. Now their view towards you is shifting. They feel like coming towards you with some kind of message, communication, maybe some kind of apology. And they feel like taking action in this direction, doing something about the situation. They're feeling quite passionate about doing something about the situation. Okay, there might be some kind of period of stagnancy going on in the situation, or um, right now you are at you guys are at a distance or something, but this person is feeling like doing something about the situation, coming forward towards you with genuine feelings, genuine energies, because now they are able to feel that you can be the one for them. Okay, they respect you a lot now. I don't know what you did. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Scorpio? We have the Six of Pentacles in reverse. From your side, you feel like this person or this situation is highly imbalanced. There is a lack of equal give and take of energy in the situation, but somehow it's not that much bad. Because it's in reverse. Let's clarify the Six of Pentacles in reverse as your feelings for this particular person or situation, Scorpio. We have the Three of Swords, the Two of Swords, the Ten of Pentacles. So you have been heartbroken by this situation multiple times in your life, maybe with the same person, maybe because of multiple situations in your life that broke your heart. You're on the crossroads whether to give this situation a shot or not. And you're feeling like you should remain practical, grounded, and you should stay realistic. Hmm? That's why you're feeling like even if someone is coming towards you with genuine energies, you're not sure whether to take it or let it go. Okay. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Eight of Cups. This person wants to emotionally detach. This person doesn't want to fall for you or for the situation, or maybe simply they just don't want to get rejected anymore. Let's clarify the Eight of Cups as their intentions here for this situation between you and them. We have the Moon card, the Devil, and the Six of Wands. This person doesn't want to be an option in your life. They are not sure whether you are dating somebody, whether you're open to the idea of being with them or not, whether you are putting them as option or not, option, or you are taking them seriously. So they have their own reasons to get out of this situation and shift all of their focus on themselves the way you are doing it, because they're not sure what you are feeling about them. Do you have anybody in your life? Are you hiding something from them? Is everything exactly the way it looks like, or something is different, or something is not completely revealed to them. So they are not sure about your feelings, your energies, and about the future direction of the situation. That's why they want to walk away from the situation and shift all of their focus on them, until unless they are going to get the 100% clarity of what is going on and what's going to happen next. They don't want to get involved too much in the situation. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Scorpio? Six of Wands. What is this Six of Wands doing here? Okay, it's repeating pattern. So, Scorpio, it's like you're already doing whatever you could. You're already doing your own thing. You're already focused on yourself only and practical matters of your life, and you're already busy in doing things that makes you grounded and sorted and keeping you in touch with the reality. So, right now, all you want is your own happiness, your own growth and success and expansion in your business, in your job, career, and your health too. So, right now, you are not focused on love at all. It's like, yeah, love, yeah, 20%, yeah, but 80% you are on your own, even if you're married. 10 of Swords, the Strength card, and the Five of Cups. Yes, you are just trying your best to transmute the regrets and guilt and or the disappointments that you have gotten till this point of your life in your love and relationship area into something really very very meaningful, into something that's going to give you the strength to keep on moving forward in your life, to keep your life more beautiful, more positive, and more worthy of living. Yes, after multiple failures in your love and relationship area, you might have learned this in a very very hard way, that you should be your number one priority. Everything else, everyone else is secondary. Hmm? So right now you just want to integrate the lessons that you have learned from your mistakes in the previous connections, and you are trying your best to make your life more comfortable, more beautiful, more positive, so that you are not going to be dependent on anything or anyone. Okay, including your own family. Let's see what could be the potential outcome for you guys till the 23rd of August 2026, Scorpio. What could be the potential outcome for you guys till the 23rd of August 2026? We have the Seven of Swords. Something is going to be revealed to you, something deceptive is going to come out to light. Okay, something or someone maybe. Let's clarify the Seven of Swords before jumping to conclusions. We have the World, the Queen of Pentacles, the Three of Wands, the Eight of Swords. The person who is interested in you, they might be very very inspired by you. They might be making you feel like they're very interested in you, but they are hiding a third party, a third energy here that they don't want you to know about. Now, I just hope they're not married or committed to somebody else and they are really interested in you. But there are certain things that you don't know about this person and they are trying to hide it as long as they can, because they are highly impressed by you, highly impressed by your energies, and they want you to be in their life. But are they worthy of your trust, and are they worthy of being with you? This is the question. Something is going, you will be able to get to know something about this person, about they were trying to hide something from you. For some of you, it might not be a romantic third party. It can be like they have been into some kind of legal matters, or they have been to jail or something for something they might have done long time ago. But that is important to know, right? So there is something about this person that is deceptive, that you will get to know, maybe not by the end of this week only. Eventually you will, but they are trying their best to hide something from you. But you are going to know intuitively that something is off about this person, or you will get to know about them, something about them that is going to make you feel like, okay, the you not being opening up to them was actually a very good idea. You are going to be proven right by the universe somehow. Bizarre, very bizarre, very weird kind of outcome. Let's see the guidance for you guys for this week for this situation, Scorpio. We have the Ace of Swords, the Knight of Cups, the Ace of Cups. Leave this chapter, leave this person, leave this story. This is not worth of your time, efforts, and energy. If this is if this is your story, if this is resonating with you, this person, this energy, this connection is not good for you, is not meant for you. Have the proper crystal clear clarity and understanding of what you are doing and why you are doing it. Why you are doing it when it comes to your love and relationship area. Keep your heart open to the idea of connecting with the right person, but you should be mentally and emotionally clear. You should be mentally and emotionally balanced, and you should understand the reason why you are going wherever you are going and why you are doing certain things in your love and relationship area. Your why should be very, very clear, so that you are not going to fall into the same kind of trap that you are trying to avoid in your life. Okay, so this person, this situation is a major red flag. It's not worth it if this is your story. And for a new person, new energy too, your emotional and your practical side should be very, very balanced, and then only you should proceed further. With like with the crystal clear clarity and and understanding of why you are choosing to do certain things, or why you want to proceed further with a particular energy. So let me answer one of your questions related to this particular situation of your life, Scorpio. This portion also might or might not resonate. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry about it. Just let it be. I'm going to give you 15 to 20 seconds to get the answer. If that's not enough for you, you can pause and unpause. If you're not going to get a clear cut yes or no, then you can take the message as the guidance for your situation if you want to. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space. Keep it short, simple, and precise. And your time starts now. अरे अरे. So the answer to your question is not the right time. Mm-hmm. Maybe not the right person. Okay. Sometimes a path or choice might be the right one for you, but the timing is currently off. Instead of giving up on your dream, realize that maybe it needs to be put on hold, or you need to keep working at it a little longer until the stars are aligned. So that's the answer if that's making any sense to you. So thank you so much for tuning in, Scorpio. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.